Why choose low-carb meal prep?
Low-carb meal prep makes sticking to a keto diet easy and straightforward. With fewer carbs, you encourage your body to burn fat for fuel, helping with weight management. Preparing meals in advance also saves time during busy weeknights and helps control ingredients, supporting your nutrition goals. Simple meals with minimal ingredients keep shopping lists short, cooking easier, and clean up quick.
Key tips for 4-ingredient dinners.
Focus on lean proteins, low-carb vegetables, healthy fats, and flavorful seasonings. Choose fresh ingredients you enjoy eating and that mix well together. Batch cook main components like chicken or beef, then pair with veggies such as zucchini, spinach, or cauliflower. A touch of cheese, olive oil, or herbs brings extra flavor. Keeping it simple helps you stick to your routine and avoid mealtime stress.
Sample dinner: lemon garlic chicken and spinach.
Chicken breast, fresh spinach, lemon, and garlic make a quick, satisfying meal. Sauté chicken with minced garlic in olive oil. Add a splash of lemon juice, then toss in fresh spinach until just wilted. This dinner is high in protein, rich in vitamins, and has low net carbs. Perfect for repeating during your week. It's quick to prep and clean up afterwards.
Sample dinner: sausage, peppers, and zucchini.
Slice pre-cooked chicken sausage, bell peppers, zucchini, and season with Italian herbs. Sauté everything in a skillet until golden and cooked through. This dish is loaded with color, fiber, and satisfying flavor. All you need are 4 staple ingredients for an easy dinner or packed lunch. Customize it with your favorite low-carb sausages or swap veggies for variety.
Simplifying weekly meal prep.
Plan your dinners ahead by picking a few favorite 4-ingredient recipes and making larger batches. Store meals in airtight containers to grab and go throughout the week. Use overlapping ingredients to minimize waste and expense. For example, buy a bag of spinach or pack of sausages to use in multiple meals. This approach keeps your keto journey practical, affordable, and stress-free.